started anyways. Working on this little 20-acre piece. This is on pure, this is just sandy ground. There's everything around here is all irrigated. There's just we had over 6 inches of rain a couple, I don't know, 3-4 days ago, and about 70-mile-an-hour winds. So you can see some of this isn't standing the greatest, but we've got a heck of a lot worse. But it's just too muddy everywhere else. So real happy with the way the head's performing so far. That's Calmer corn chopping rolls and NPY stock stompers. I don't know if you can see the stompers down there. So corn's running, I don't know, 17.5 was the first load just hauled in. But just happy to be started. 3.5. That's all. But I could push harder, but I don't want to be too hard on this until I get a little more confidence. Plus, it help pick this stuff up a little bit better, going a little slower. So. Pretty good corn for down here. We burned up a little bit for a few weeks, but it's been wet enough all year that it's looking like it's doing, I don't know. I'd be shocked if it didn't get 150. Should have the grain cart down here, but only 20 acres, so just running to the truck park over here out of the field. Still kind of damp, so it's kind of a pain. But I'm pretty much by myself because 20 acres I really don't need any help. And the elevator's only, I don't know what the heck is it, 3 or 4 miles away. So we're supposed to get rain tonight. Rain chances on and off the whole frickin' week, so. And we got a swamp everywhere, so that sucks. Well, sorry for the shaky video and stuff, but that's what we're doing today, so thanks for watching.